Hi, I will take you through the setup of the SM25 mount adapter used to install Gen 3 Starlink dishes to rooftop mounts. The equipment needed to assemble and install this mount adapter is a 13mm spanner, adjustable wrench or a ratchet with suitable sockets, and of course, the mount itself. Please ensure appropriate personal protective equipment is used during your installation. This may include, but is not limited to gloves, goggles, safety boots, and a harness when working at heights. The first step is to remove the factory-installed kickstand bracket from the rear of the dish. To do this, protect the dish by laying face side down on a covered work surface to prevent any scratching or damage to the receiver surface. Then remove the factory-supplied Starlink kickstand from the dish by lifting the locking tab bar up to release the two locking tabs, then slide the kickstand back and off the dish. Next, check the SM25 mount adapter and make sure all parts are present. Before we seat the bracket to the attachment point on the rear of the dish, we must route our cable to suit our installation method. If we are planning to run the cable up through the center of the main mount, we will need to first thread the cable through the mounting mast and then pass through the SM25 adapter tube and run through the opening to the front of the adapter, ready to connect to the dish. Or, if we want to run the cable down the outside of the main mount, we simply need to run the cable from the rear of the SM25 through the openings to the front of the adapter. Next, connect the Starlink cable to the dish. Ensure to connect in the correct orientation and to seat properly to make sure a good connection is made. The plug will click into place when connected correctly, and the sealing boot should be securely seated. Next, slide the adapter into the mounting location, ensuring to guide the cable at the same time so it does not snag or dislodge the connection in any way. Once the SM25 is seated in the correct position, lightly tighten by hand the 4x13mm bolts evenly into place until the plate is secure. Ensure the two rear bolts are inside the punched tab to hold the plates in position. Then carefully tighten each bolt evenly using your spanner or similar tool until the mounting plates are secure and locked tight against the inside of the dish's beveled mounting edge. Be careful not to over-tighten and damage the dish plastics. The adapter plate should be secure without any free play. Once secure, please lock the plate's tensioning bolts in place by tensioning the 4 locking nuts using your spanner. The installation of the adapter is now complete, and you are ready to install the adapter to the top of your preferred roof mount. This is how it looks fully installed on a SM06S, for example. For further information, please call 1-800-ARIEL or visit our website matchmaster.com.au. Thanks for watching.